Hey, Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 coverages that every dry cleaning and laundry business should at least be aware of to protect their business. But before I get into it, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a quick like, as it really helps to push these types of videos out to other business owners like yourself. All right, so there are a lot of unique exposures for dry cleaners. First and foremost is going to be general liability. So this is going to be your common slip, trip, and fall hazards. So let's say a customer came into your location and accidentally slipped on a wet floor and hurt their elbow, and it kept them out of their job for a while. General liability could help pay for your customers' lost wages while they're out of work. So this is going to cover third-party bodily injury and property damage, and is usually the first coverage that you think of when purchasing business insurance. Next is going to be a business owner policy, or BOP. Now, this is going to combine general liability with your business's commercial property. So you could get coverage for the building you own or that you lease, and any commercial property you use in connection for your business and that you use to run your business. You could also get coverage for things like business interruption. So this would help replace your income if you suffered a property damage loss, and could help cover costs to get you back up and running. And you could also add on things like equipment breakdown. So this would help cover your equipment from power surges and outages. And you could also add on hired and non-owned auto liability, which would cover you if you're using personal vehicles for business work related types of situations. Next, you want to consider bailee coverage. Now, this is going to cover your customer's property while in your care on your location. So if you ever suffered a fire or a property damage loss, this would cover your customer's property. And what this would do is help to limit your out-of-pocket replacement cost or out-of-pocket financial risk if your customer's property was to be damaged. So this is definitely an important coverage that you want to consider adding on to block risk. Next is going to be commercial auto. So this is going to be super important if you have vehicles registered in your business name, or if you're performing pick up or drop off types of services. You're definitely going to need commercial auto. Pretty straightforward. Last but certainly not least is going to be workers' compensation insurance. So if you hire employees, you're definitely going to need workers' compensation. It's required in almost every state. Now, this is going to help cover your employees' medical costs, rehabilitation costs, and lost wages if there's an employee injury on the job. So you definitely want to make the investment into workers' comp as soon as you think about hiring. So now that you know the coverages needed to protect your dry cleaning business, I want to give you the best recommendation on where you could go to get the best business insurance. And the next steps to coverage is as simple as a few clicks below, or feel free to give our agency a call directly at 858-277-1585. We work in most states and we would love to help you. Feel free to give us a call. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.